Welcome, guys, everyone. Today I'm going to show you uh, experiments. And what are those experiments? The experiments are about buoyancy, force of buoyancy. So what's the purpose of showing this? We are going to show some substances that they float in water or they sink inside water. If they float, as we know that the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So if if some of these substances float on the water, then we can say that it has less density, and if some of these substances sink inside, then they have greater density. So let's start the video. Now we are going to keep a paper, and we see that that I'm using my hand to move it, but then also see I'm exerting pressure on it, but then also it starts coming up, but it's not sinking down. Why is it happening? Because the density of paper is less than water. That is, the density of paper is less than 1 gram per centimeter cube. Now I'm going to insert 3 nails, and when I completely and now I see that the nails completely sink inside water, because they are made up of iron, and iron has a greater density than water. So we can conclude that iron has a greater density than 1 gram per centimeter cube. So we can see that all these 3 nails have sinked inside the water. Can you see this? And if you're liking this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now I'm going to insert a steel rod, as you can see. But what is happening? You can see this also again sinks inside the water. How is it happening? It's happening because it has a greater density than water. That is, it has a greater density than 1 gram per centimeter cube. You can see, if I again I will again put it inside water. Again you can see, again it goes inside, from which we conclude that it has a greater density than water and it can sink inside water. Now I'm going to insert a plastic. This container is made up of plastic. As you can see, this container is floating on water. Why? It's just because of force of buoyancy. What is force of buoyancy? The force which the inner molecules of the liquid attract the substances kept above on them. So what's happening? The plastic paper has this plastic container has less density than water. That is, it has a less density than 1 gram per centimeter cube. So we can see that it is floating on water. Now we are going to use our last substance, which is a pipe made up of nylon. You can see that this nylon rod is also sinking inside the water. How is it possible? Because it has greater density than water. Since it has a greater density than water, so it completely sinks inside water, as you can see. Again I am going to show you. You can see again it sinks inside water. This is because it has greater density than water. That is, it has a greater density than 1 gram per centimeter cube. So thank you, guys. Before ending this video, I want to see. First we tested with the paper. The paper was floating on the on water, on the liquid, because it has lesser density than water. And next we tried with the iron nails. Iron nails sinked inside the water because they had a greater density. And next, which we used, was a steel rod, and we saw that it also sinked inside the water because it has a greater density than water. Now we use a plastic container. This also sinks. This does not sink inside the water. This floats on water because of it has lesser density than water. At last, we used a nylon pipe. This also sinked in water because it has a greater density. So friends, please subscribe my channel, like